Right then, today I'm going to do a video on replacing the headlamps. We'll try and do this and see if I can show you step by step. As you can see, the headlights are completely, what would you call it, all fogged up. So I've got new ones to put on. So the left one is really bad compared to the right one, but I'm still going to change them both. There we go. Right, first things first, we've got to take off these fellas. Now they're inside here. Basically all you do is get a screwdriver underneath here and you'll see the gap, lift it right up and take both of these out. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, and this will loosen and this will come out of the clips from here. Okay, stand by. Okay, as you can see, there's one of these plugs in here underneath the wheel arch. Undo that, and you're gonna have to pry it out with a screwdriver, this plastic underguard, and you can see there's a 10mm nut just there. This is going to take out the bumper. Hopefully there might be another nut down here. I've got a feeling there is one there. Yeah, there is. Okay, so let's take that off and I'll be back. Okay, so we've got one screw out of here, one here, and another one here, which is a clip, and one here, and this probably go all the way around. And we'll just take them all out and it should just come out easily. We've got the hard part done first, which is this bit in the corner, but we'll go from there. Okay, as I suspected, so we've taken out 1, 2, 3, 4, I've got 5 all along these clips, and they go all the way around. So we'll be taking them off and hopefully they'll just come out easily. Okay, I had to take out this underpass, or whatever you call it, a guard, plastic one, to get more access, and I found out that there was a bastard bolt here, which you've got to undo, nut, and then it comes through. It is a difficult job, believe me. Right, I think now. So I've undone that bolt, and there's another bolt that was inside there which I've undone, and now the final one is down here, so we'll do that. Right, so I've taken, as you can see, I've undone it all. Now I've got the 3 bolts off. All I've got to do is unplug the side light, the indicator bulb, the headlight and the side light. And I'm going to replace it today with LED lights. Right, so I'm ready to install first of my one. That's the wrong side I've got to do, so let's open the other side up. Right, so these comes with a film on there already, plastic film. Now I've bought this LED light, high power LED conversion kit, and we'll stick that on. Hopefully it'll make a lot of difference. Let's go. Right. So we have these, so I'm going to install these before I connect the whole thing up. Now these should be plug and play. Yep. Okay, let's go. Right, so here's the dummy one. So all you got to do is push this side, the pin will come up, take the dummy plug out, and we insert this one, but I don't know which way, so does it make a difference? Okay, let's try it that way. And then you just insert the pin again. Okay, I'll do that. So that's it. Right, I've got the first one on, put the LED light conversion light on and bolted it up. So the third bolt is down here. So as you can see, you've got to take that one off 10mm, and that's why you've got to take this bumper bloody off to get access to it. So now I'm about to take this one off. As you can see, it's so misted. So it's done. I've taken the 3 bolts off. It's about to come off, and I'm just going to replace the bulbs and put it all back together again. Lovely. So all done. I've just got to fix the side lamp is gone now, but side light, but that's not a biggie. Now just going to go take to the auto shop to align the lights, and all done. Brilliant. Right, so this is the end product. They do look nice.